Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. I'm making a interesting to somewhat tutorial or explanation on something I discovered by complete accident. A method to block anybody from tracking through your internet. I'm not sure if it's completely protected because it relies on a glitch, but I'm just going to tell you because it's pretty simple, it's pretty effective, and it's pretty easy. Basically, how it works is it blocks, well, it doesn't block it up. If you deny your specific internet, I only know this with Internet Explorer. I'm not sure if it works on, say, Firefox. But, say if you keep having internet downloaded, particularly Internet Explorer. I don't know if the other ones work. I just know if it works with Internet Explorer. But if you keep it downloaded, working, and such, but don't update it within a large period of time, and then start using it, it will completely corrupt the ability to save data. This does have some consequences, but if you want any bookmarks to be saved, just do it before you stop using it, and those bookmarks will still be saved. One of the downsides is you constantly have to read log. It can still save data as long as it's open, so you don't have to worry about, certain functions not working. Just remember, the moment you close that window or leave that website, you're gonna have to reload everything that wasn't loaded, with an exception of few websites where it's loaded on the server and not the client. But that's specific to that website, so you still don't have to worry about people tracking you that way. It's only saving the data that's reliant on an account. I'll give you an example. Ninja QA, it's a gaming website. Your data on your account is saved to your IP depending when you use it, but it's only dependent on when that account has been used on what computer. So it's not really going to be tracking everything. So at the very least, if other companies are tracking you or something, it's only going to be to the websites they own. And people who don't have websites you go on are completely unable to track you. Say if someone makes a fake website and you don't go to it, they can't do anything. Even if you do go to that said website, it's only gonna let you. They'll only be able to track the stuff you do on that website and your IP address. Worst case scenario. Um, another it's. I mean, I just got a complete accident. I was using Internet Explorer, but it was started to become a little buggy. I decided to download Google Chrome and I just used Google Chrome for I think about a year or two, and I came back. My data wouldn't save, and I couldn't update it. That's mainly the reason why it works. It keeps it from being updated. This does cause a problem. Another problem, it'll eventually start working. You have to completely wipe Internet Explorer and then restart the process. But during the time it's still functional, people, some company can't force an update to track you. It just won't function. Another side effect is that you can't fix the problem. Like if you don't want this to stop working, if you want to stop it and using an Explorer normal. But in that case, you just should be using Firefox or a different, you know, program. That's different type of internet for that. Um, but you're still running the same risk if, you know. The same problem is you can't download stuff from the website, meaning you want to have a second internet before you try this. But if you've activated this and you have no other internet website, there is a way to fix this and get another internet. Get a flash drive, plug into someone else's computer, and have you download that version of that Chrome or Firefox or whatever. Put it on the flash drive and plug it into your computer. And then, as long as you have enough data on that flash drive to throw on enough of the program to open it and run the proper update, you should be able to have that work. I'm not sure if this is going to work in future patches that Internet Explorer or Firefox or Chrome might release, because I can't look into the future. They might. I'm not sure, but it works for now. I mean, it only has to be like a few updates of Internet Explorer. It doesn't have to be like 20 or some shit. I mean, you should only. I don't know how long you have to wait, but it has to be at least 8 months. But that's only because I've only tried it once, and that was well over a year. So yeah, it depends how long you're wanting to wait for it. But you can do it. You can try it with several other internet options at once. Like say have Chrome on the side and you try it with Firefox and Internet Explorer and you test one. If it doesn't work, you just keep the other one working and start a new one. Like if you accidentally updated Internet Explorer because it wasn't done with that process yet, you can just have the other one continuing and restart that Internet Explorer because you accidentally reset it because you didn't test. You should very easily be able to test it by going into your Internet Explorer, going into your settings or tools or whatever. Click on report website problems and just keep going through different websites, particularly the website that opens, like the one you have set to your front page. Like, well, for me, it's Google or YouTube, and just keep messing through all these view downloads, and pretty much just start digging through like several other things, including internet options, and there's several different ways to find it. Um, Another very effective way, which is probably the simplest, is just to try to download an update. And if the update doesn't work, like if you try it like 5 or 6 times and it doesn't work all 6 times, the glitch is probably working, unless your internet's down or something. But I mean, you can test several other things. I might release a second part on how to different ways to test it or different ways to do this, but I just found this really cool thing and I wanted to post it because I don't want this very interesting bit of information I learned to go to waste. I have no idea if this is going to be patched before you can start writing this option again. And it's more of a glitch, so there is a possibility that they might patch it. But I have to end this video pretty soon. I'm running closer to my 15-minute mark. So that's pretty much it. I guess I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.